All right, I'm going to shoot just a quick update. I'm not going to shoot a constant video on this, but what I'm doing is I'm tearing down the engine, as you can see here. I should have shot a video earlier showing the marks, just how you line up the exhaust mark, the intake marks here, and then you look for the top dead center here, and then of course you check, you know, down in the hole for top dead center as well, just to make sure, because you're either top or you're bottom on the spin. So I should have shot that video, but I took pictures. Maybe I can integrate this in. Pulled the wiring harness from around, then we're just going to pop the head off. I'm just going to leave all the throttle and everything on there. Yeah, we're going to pop the head off. We're going to replace it all. Got the new gasket set from Jet Ski International, and we have all of our, let's see, we have all of our pistons and rings. So we're going to do new pistons, rings. We've got our ball hone here, so we're going to clean up the cylinders, and not just clean them up, even if they don't need cleaning up, just to hone them so that the rings set really nice. There's lots of videos on YouTube you can do that, but I haven't seen a video on tearing this down, so I'm just going to kind of maybe splice these together, maybe after I get the head off. I just have this chain hanging up here so it stays, you know, connected to the crank, and pulled the tensioner on the side as well, so that I, you know, had play to work with this thing. Yeah, and that's where we're at. I'll probably splice this into some more videos. All right, just pulled the head off. Just taking a look here. You can see, let's turn off the light so maybe you can't see. There's a little bit of like, I wouldn't say salt water, but just a little bit of not corrosion buildup in the water jackets in here. The pistons are a little bit dirty. Doesn't matter, we're replacing them. The side walls, you can see a little bit of, very small lip on there, like very small. Nothing I would be too concerned about, at least from what I can see. And then take a look at the head here. I'll flip it over so you can see. So, well, it's going to be hard to see. Let me turn my, let's see if we can get this. You can see it's a little bit of rust in there. Just they need to be cleaned up. So we'll do some work. That's where we're at right now. Just wanted to shoot that. I'll update you, yeah, on the next step. And there's the old head gasket. All right, let's go further on the teardown. I've got the head here. Maybe I said that before. Just put the new gasket on the valve covers, or the valve cover. I've got the oil pump and everything pulled off the front of the motor here. I just put, let's try not to mess it up. I just put this new gasket on here, and I put these O-rings on here. I had to put just a little bit of, not silicone, but RTV, RVT, whatever, right here on the two, where the two wires come in, 8-cat. And so, yeah, we're tearing this thing down completely. I just rebuilt the oil screen. This kit did come with, and I'll link to the kit. The kit came with the gasket that's underneath the screen here. And the motor was light enough, I just picked it up, pulled it in. It's upside down right now because I was just seeing if I can get to the piston caps and everything without pulling this thing apart. Looks like I need to pull the bottom end off as well. So, yay, fun times. There you go. I mean, a little nervous. I didn't expect to have to tear it down completely. There you go. So that's where we're at. I'm going to tear it further. We'll splice that in. All right, catching up here. I basically just tore the whole block down. Definitely had to pull the bottom end to really get the pistons out properly. Now we can get in here and hone these, you know, without getting garbage all over the crank and everything. So we did pull that all off. As you can see, everything's sprawled out here, all the pistons. Got the new piston on this one. Doing these are really simple, honestly. Just hand putting the rings back on. Yeah, I make sure to mark everything, you know, make sure the directions, I'm taking pictures as I go. You know, this is way beyond where I wanted to go with this. You know, you can see the bottom end cap right here. Didn't expect to go this far, but hey, we're here now. Basically, it's entirely stripped down. Now it's just a matter of cleaning things up and putting it back together and crossing your fingers and hope it works. So that's where I'm at. Yeah. And again, the kit came with all new gaskets and everything, so, you know, we've got new end seals. And yeah, this is going to be great. Everything's going to... I'll know every part of this motor, so that's it. That's my current update. I'll start updating as I put it back together.